We are here at El Berraco, one of Tucson's finest Latin seafood restaurants.
El Berraco is located in Tucson's Midtown area and has one of the most unique and fun restaurant experiences that you will find in Tucson, as seafood with a Latin flair. While you're there, you'll definitely have to try the fresh seafood towers this restaurant is known for, finely displayed at the tables by the wonderful and attentive waitstaff. You can taste the freshness of the seafood here at El Berraco with the eclectic menu and ingredients that will keep you coming back for more. Start off with some mixed drinks from the finely stocked bar. They have some of the best beers on tap as well. They also offer some great top shelf liquor options. Don't miss out on the virgin pina colada for the kids or a michelada for grandpa. Wow! Or get the Tucson specialty prickly pear margarita. They also have outdoor seating facing the west, so if you're here during the evening, you can watch the sunset as you dine. Live music is playing on the weekends, along with an amazing atmosphere that will get you excited for your dining experience. Hey everyone, it's Kimberly, your go-to real estate agent in Tucson, Arizona, and today we're talking about my new favorite seafood restaurant, El Berraco. Throw down the name of your favorite El Berraco menu item in the comments below, and hit the like and subscribe buttons to follow along with Tucson news and learn more about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. And when you're ready to buy or sell a Tucson home, all my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel. We have over 100 videos out about Tucson and real estate on this channel. Now, back to the food. We were lucky enough to meet the head chef and creator of El Berraco's menu, Chef Claudia, as she welcomed us into her kitchen. Chef Claudia did not let us down. We loved everything she served us.
I grew up in Hermosillo. It's always near the sea and the beach. We have all kind of seafood and everything. When I started working with Manny, the owner of the restaurant, explained to me that he would like a submarine for the restaurant. If you look outside, it looks like a submarine. And the story is that the submarine is going up all the way to the Pacific Ocean, taking all the ingredients and all the flavors of the countries that is passing by, like Colombia, Mexico, Peru, and everything. All the sweetness, like banana, the plantain of Colombia, the sweetness of pineapple, the spiciness of the Mexican seafood, the chile bean, chile serrano. It's a fusion of different flavors, sweet, spicy, sour. We have a lot of lime and everything in the oven. We have tacos, we have aguachiles. So it's a mix of a lot of things that we think that the people would love.
Oh my gosh, these are really good appetizers. Grilled oysters!
The oyster is fresh. This is a smoked oyster cream.
The smoked oysters are one of the specialties here, and it's a dish that is also a show.
We are glad that people like it. I mean, we make our own salsas, our own dressings, and that's, I think, one of the good things for our kitchen. We have the oyster from Ensenada, from Guaymas, from Sonora. So it's fresh. We try to do our best dishes for everybody. Okay, so I'll make the octopus. This is a chuki sauce that we make with lime, spices, garlic, and we mix it with compass butter that has chile bean, garlic, cilantro. I studied culinary arts in Spain, Barcelona. It was really nice because I met a lot of people around the world. I got to cook different kinds of food and different ingredients that I didn't know. So it was really nice. I spent a year and a half over there. My family is in the food. My mom, dad, obviously my grandmother. I learned from that.
The octopus is a must-get and possibly the top signature dish of El Berraco. Even the children ate it with a ravenous appetite. I was also able to say something I've never said before.
Do you want me to cut you a tentacle?
Don't forget tacos! This is Latin seafood.
It has the octopus, shrimp, and marlin. It's like small tuna. And we put it like a quesadilla, tortilla, cheese, and everything. And we also have a taco with a cheese crust. And we put chipotle, shrimp, fried calamari, the octopus chicharrón. We mix it. Put it here, over here. Onions, serrano garlic dressing, and the taquitos. So you can share. We have the cilantro rice. So it's one of the places that you can share also a few things. And we have the quesadilla taco, it's called. There's the cheese crust with a chipotle shrimp with some guacamole.
There are so many dishes that you order for the entire table in a very family-centered approach to the dining experience. It's a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach.
So like a mix of fresh things. It's a mango tuna ceviche and la cremosa. That is a mix of scallops and cooked shrimp with a spicy mayo. And aguachile, it has octopus, scallop, and shrimp with salsas negras, lime, avocado chili. And it's really nice. It's fresh. I think it's for share and a few drinks. And maybe it's a good start to open the appetite.
I hope you've learned a little bit about one of my favorite restaurants here in Tucson, El Berraco. They have a wonderful atmosphere, an attentive staff, and amazing seafood that is second to none that I have tried here in Tucson. Whether you are visiting Tucson or if you've lived here your entire life, I strongly recommend you check out this place. If you would like to buy or sell a home here in Tucson, I'd love to help you out. All my contact information is in the description below each video on this channel, and there are tons of other videos on this channel about things to do and see and know about this city, my hometown. Comment below with your favorite menu item at El Berraco here in Tucson, and don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out the door. To learn more about Tucson, make sure you check out our next video about best breakfasts in Tucson, Arizona. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next Tucson video.